Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube app not working in your smart TV. The first thing is directly unplug and replug your TV power cable. If this not work, the second method is go to the settings and here go to device processes and here go to date and time and here set correct date and time as per your country, and now try to use the YouTube. If this not work, the third method is go to the YouTube and here sign out and sign in and then also reset the app. If still this not working, the fourth method is go to the settings and here go to the apps and here click on YouTube and here clear data and clear cache and also clear defaults. If this not work, the fifth method is uninstall YouTube app and then install. So these are the methods to fix the YouTube app not working in your smart TV. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.